Today, we are back with a brand new 5 Marla house in DHA Lahore. In the garage of this house you can park one SUV or a sedan car. When you enter the house, you are welcomed by a pleasant view of the living and drawing room of this house. Powder room. Elegant, modern design kitchen, ground floor. Master bedroom, ground floor. Kids bedroom, first floor. Bedroom number 3, first floor. Bedroom number 4, first floor. Main door. Demand for this beautiful house is 2.60 crore only. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.